So we're actually on our way to Horton Plains, where we're going to apparently the World's End, which is where there's just a big drop off and it looks like the World's End. Anyway, we're up this mountain, climbing up in Podrick here. Got to this lovely viewpoint, but we don't even know if we're going to still make it to the top because he's really struggling.
Look at the steepness of that.
You can't really tell, but it's incredibly steep, and Podrick's little engine is struggling, but we keep moving. Come on, Podrick! Fly!
Oh, it's so high! So we've just got to the entrance of the national park. We didn't realise that we'd get hit with a $25 each fee to enter, but I think it's okay. We're basically going to be doing our own safari, right?
Tuk-tuk safari,
Tuk-tuk
and then we're going to do a walking safari in a national park, which apparently there is leopards roaming here as well, so that's going to be interesting to see one of those.
Yeah, good luck to us. We came on this 10k walk to see the World's End viewpoint.
Yeah.
That's what we've got hit with.
The bloody clouds are here.
Cloud.
We missed.
we knew they were coming, but we were just not quick enough.
Problem
it's
is,
quite cool.
Once it gets to a certain part of the day, the heat makes the water vapour rise, then it cools and condenses, creating clouds up at these high altitudes, and now we have that. Now for a long trek, what do we need? Water. Look at this fresh, clean water. I'm going to filter the life straw. It's finally coming into its own now.
So cold.
Look at that. Hold on.
Should we just try it raw?
Try it raw. It's not meat. Have a look at that. Bugger it, I'll have a bit raw.
Oh, something just flew into your mouth.
Ah, fuck's sake.
Jake's biggest fear. Should I go a bit closer?
Go a bit closer. That's a mega. Oh my god.
Are they big? What are they?
They're bees.
Just bees? That's alright then.
They're bees.
Oh, it's massive.
Go on, get a bit closer.
Oh, they're all bees.
We've caught one. Look at that amazing.
Drop it, Jake, it's supposed to hold over it.
It's fine. Look at that. Ah, oh, it bit me. As you can hear, Podrick is struggling again. We're up on the mountains trying to get to Ella from Nurelia, and this trip has been quite a it's been quite a dramatic one, trying to get up all these little hills, and Ella's driving. So wish us luck, hopefully we'll get there in one piece. So, would you like to sleep tonight? I would. Listen to this. It's been going on for the last 4 hours, by the way. Good night.
We're on our way to see the Nine Arch Bridge this morning, but we were stuck in the middle of a a Buddhist parade.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Look at this bad boy. Look at the size of him.
Let's have a little taste. Should we drink it together? Oh, I don't like it.
Full of electrolytes. Whoa, look at this. Mega caterpillar.
Where? Whoa! Pick it up, Jake.
See, Bear Grylls with Jake, I can always find some protein in the jungle.
Eat it.
No.
Read that there's loads of leeches in here, so keep your
I've
feet up.
come prepared.
Jake, protected. Oh, Jake just seen a massive snake.
Ooh, that shocked me, to
Was
be
it
honest
big?
with you. Yeah, it was long. It's curled around there and went down the hill.
Oh, I'm really afraid now.
That was cool.
I'm glad I didn't see it. Some more wildlife. Are you friendly?
Are you
Hello.
friendly? You look friendly. Hello.
Hello, friendly.
Friendly doggies. Arrived at the famous Nine Arch Bridge.
There it
A
is.
bit of British colonialism for you there.
Jake's got a pretty cool look going on.
I look like a right foreigner here with a coconut and a bloody Hawaiian looking shirt.
Socks pull up.
That's the anti-leech protection. So of course, your boy's steaming ahead. There's the gang all the way down there. We're knackering. Okay, I think we made it to the summit. Have a look at this. It's very out of breath. Oh, look at that.
We're on the road again. We left Ella today and we're heading into the rainforest for a night, and tomorrow I think we're going to try and do a jungle walk.
See some snakes, see some lizards, hopefully no spiders because Ella will freak out.
I'm feeling a bit afraid.
We're going to venture deep into the deep dark woods.
Our last day in Ella, we bumped into this couple that we'd met. We'd met them on the safari in Wilpatu like 2 weeks ago, was it? Yeah. And they were also in the hotel next to ours in Ngombo, so we just keep bumping into them, and we spent the whole day yesterday with them when we climbed up Little Adams Peak, and then had some food with them and stuff, so that was really nice. And yeah, into the rainforest.
Today's the day we tackle the rainforest. How are you feeling about it, Ella?
I'm afraid of spiders.
Don't worry, Jakey boy's going to take care of the situation. I basically know all the species, all the plant life. I'll be able to keep us safe. So the only thing that is on my mind is the abundance of leeches. So we're got the right PPE, protective equipment on. Ella maybe untuck this part because I looked not too good. But we're going to go and have a swim in a waterfall apparently in the middle of a rainforest, and then go and see what else is living inside of there.
I will show you. Like take salt like this, and it's okay to put on your shoe.
Yeah, of course.
And drop that on your shoe like this.
Okay. deep into the rainforest now. Smiles, but she's scared. Sorry, she's not scared. We have made it. Have a look at this. Beautiful. So it's definitely time for a lovely little dip in the pool. Let's give it a go. So apparently that wasp has actually paralysed that spider, and what it's going to do is it's going to take it into a nest, lay eggs, and then the baby wasps are going to eat it alive, but it's paralysed and can't move. That's a brutal battle of nature right there. Ooh. Hello.
There's a leech on my knee.
Oh, not good.